Hey guys, Lek here. I want to do a quick review of a couple new utility knives I got. This is something new from Milwaukee, press and flip models. It's a two-piece set, cost me $15. That's what was a selling point to me. It was a great deal for, this brand especially. This comes with two models. The combo pack is a 48, 22, 1503 set, and that includes the 48, 22, 1500 model, which is the smaller compact one version, and then the 48, 22, 1502, which is one of the full-size models, which does have blade storage as well. So first thing I saw this, and I'm sure a lot of people did too, they see the button, they think it's automatic, right? Like an automatic knife. But no, it's a press and flip, meaning you push the button and you flip it, right? Or drop it. This will actually use gravity and it will drop on its own to close and open. But you're gonna find yourself playing with this all day long, just flipping it. It will lock when it's flipped open, and same when it's closed, so you can't accidentally open it. There is a little thumb stud here that you can use if you don't want to do the whole flip action to open it with your other hand. So that's a very cool feature. I really like that. Has a lanyard hole, so you can tie it to a rope to your wrist if you're working up high. Has a wire stripper here. This is the model with the blade storage. So in here it will hold five blades, which is really cool. And the way you remove the blades, there's a little button right here. What's cool about that, it does have a guard up top. So if you're cutting like precision cutting like this, you're not going to accidentally push the button, right? You have to push it here. The blade slides out. Get your new blade. Make sure when you lock it, it fully locks in. Because you can lock it on the first hole and then it's not fully the way in. You want to get it on the second hole on the blade, right? So yeah, that's the big guy right here. Solid build, feels good. My only thing is, if I'm going to be using my construction belt, I probably don't need the belt clip, as I'm going to be using the pocket. And when you do a lot of heavy cutting, this wire is actually digging into your finger, right? So if you're not wearing gloves, it might get a little annoying. I've used these knives for a couple of weeks now just to beat them up a little, cutting some sheetrock, some wood, cardboard, the typical stuff. And they've been working great. I mean, they've been holding up. I really like the build and the features. And obviously the coolest part is that whole flip action, right? This is the little guy. You can see that it's almost like an inch smaller. Has a lanyard hole, has the belt clip, which will be more useful because this you can use as your pocket knife. Has the flip action, same button to remove your blade. There is no blade storage in this guy. Yeah, it's just a compact model, and it does have a thumb stud as well, so that's great. And one thing I noticed, they do have copper washers, so they do have solid bearings inside, which should last you a while before you need to clean or oil. But yeah, these are the new guys from Milwaukee. There's a lot of versions. I like this combo pack. It was a good deal, and you get a good mix of features in both. To compare it to some of the older guys, this is my older Husky here, and like a classic Stanley, which as you see is a beast size-wise compared to these. These were great knives, but you do have to unscrew this to replace the blade. Takes time, right? Husky, this is the all-metal version. I love these guys. That you have them in Home Depot usually on sale, sometimes like 3 for $15, so you can't beat that. You flick it open like a regular knife. The lock is here, and you got the blade mechanism here, which is maybe a little more dangerous than Milwaukee because you are taking it out by hand, and have to drop it in there, as opposed to just sliding it in from the top. But yeah, guys, hope this is helpful. Oh yeah, really quick, got some cardboard here, heavy cardboard from my oatmeal box. As you see, it does what's supposed to do. It cuts. It will take any blades. So comfortable to hold. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, please comment below. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this. Subscribe. I got more coming, reviews and how-to videos and so on. Thanks so much. Take care.